In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add items side by side in Notion. If you've ever wanted your notes, tasks, or images to appear next to each other instead of stacked in a single column, this is exactly what you need. Columns in Notion make pages cleaner and easier to scan, and setting them up is quick when you use the / command. Start by placing your cursor on an empty line. This part is important because the / command works best when here is nothing else on that line. If your cursor is in the middle of text, just press Enter to create a fresh line. Now type a / followed by the number of columns you want, such as /2 columns or /3 columns. As you type, Notion will surface matching options, so don't worry if you are not sure of the exact wording. Just start with the / and the number, and you'll see suggestions appear. When the menu pops up, choose the layout you want from the options shown, like 2 columns or 3 columns. You can click it with your mouse or use the arrow keys and press Enter. The moment you confirm, Notion will create the column layout right on your page, giving you side-by-side sections that are ready for content. If you don't immediately see the option, make sure you are on a clean line and that you've typed the / first. Then the number, followed by the word columns. With your columns in place, you can now add content to each empty section. Click inside the first column and start typing to add text, headings, or to-do lists. Move to the next column and paste links. Drop in images or embed content like videos and calendars. You can also bring in databases or synced blocks if you are building a more advanced layout. The key is that each column is a normal Notion area, so everything you already know, commands, formatting, and embeds, works the same way. A few quick tips while you add content. Use clear headings in each column to make scanning easier. Keep related items together so your layout tells a story at a glance, and repeat the same / command whenever you need another set of columns elsewhere on the page. If your page feels crowded, consider breaking content into multiple column groups separated by a blank line for breathing room. That's all there is to it. Start on an empty line, use the / with your desired number of columns, pick the layout from the menu, and then fill each section with the content you need. Side by side. Thanks for watching.